Hello everybody, today we will learn how to update my Chrome version for testing purpose. Normally you need compatible environment whenever you are performing any web application testing, website testing, your drivers must be compatible. So here how to update your Chrome, you can see here three dots are appearing. Go here and go to your help, go to help, and in the help you can see there is about Google Chrome. So now you can see the Google Chrome version and you can check out for up to date return is here or not. If it is not up to date, then your compatibility with the driver will be checked out, or either your testing will not run. So here you can, if it is not, then you need to, it will automatically update it, and then after that you need to relaunch it. So whenever you are performing any web application testing, you need to set your drivers of Chrome with the testing version, and if it is compatible, then only your application will be tested, otherwise it will not be tested. So this is just how to update your Chrome version. So thank you very much for seeing this, please.